Hey YouTube, welcome to HDE-Tech. Here we have the Costco bundle that consists of the Canon EOS M50, the body, the kit lens 15 to 45 millimeter, a 32 gigabyte SD card from SanDisk, and a sling bag from Canon, the 1000S series. So we'll set these aside and deal with them later. Let's dig into this bad boy. Basically, it was tough to find this. They're all sold out everywhere. Amazon, B&H, Autorama, Costco had it, so had to dive into it. Here's the strap, the body. Let's set this aside. The battery charger. It actually connects to the wall. There's no extension cord or anything like that. The LPE-12 battery pack. Yes, the LPE-12 battery pack and the kit lens. So let's set all of this aside and take a look. And something new. Oh, with its kit lens. It's a tiny camera. I mean, it's, oh my goodness. This is small. Wow. All right, well, battery charger, battery, strap, kit lens. It is indeed 15 to 45 millimeter variety, and the Canon EOS M50 with the fully articulating touchscreen. Great for vlogging. And let's set it up and put it through its paste. Hopefully it'll hold up. All right. Well, see you guys next time.